Hey guys, so for today's video I decided that Instagram followers decide what I do in a day. And I know I look shit. This is just a mess. Everything is a mess. Also, I'm filming by my phone because I didn't want it to do all the camera and the setup and all those things. That's why I'm filming on my phone. So we'll just get started. The first thing which I wanted to do is like everyone is like, oh, should I pick this or pick that? But I'm like, I want to do something which is like a thing which I like and a thing which I don't like, or more specifically, which I don't feel like doing today. So I'm gonna question that on the poll, and then we'll decide what you guys want me to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is should I straighten my hair or no? Because I'm going out in the evening, and I decided that I'm just not feeling like straightening my hair. Also, I cut my hair, if you noticed it. I don't feel like straightening my hair, so we'll see what you decide. So I've asked the question, should I straighten or curl? And now we wait for some time and see what you guys want me to do. I hope it's not straightening because I'm so bored of it. Like, not like bored of it, but I'm just like having a lazy day. I don't want to do anything. Just want to get up and go. So we'll see. Okay, so the next thing which I posted on my story was between two foundations, the Maybelline Fit Me one and the Infallible one, which is a debate between the full coverage or the normal coverage. And I really don't want the full coverage one because I really hate the full coverage foundation. I don't really need foundation, as you can tell just under here. So I hope you pick the Maybelline one. And the next one were these two tops which I want to wear. One is like yellow, like bright yellow, so summery, and the other one is black, which is so me. As you can see, I'm wearing black right now too. So I hope you pick the black one because the yellow one is not really my style. It doesn't match my aesthetic now, you know. And I think the third one is the two lipsticks, which is I selected like a two pink and a nude lipstick. As you know, I hate wearing pink, so I hope you pick the nude one because I just don't want to wear it. So yeah, let's see what you guys chose. So also one more thing which I posted was, should I apply liner or no liner? Because I am not really a liner person. I was, but now I'm just not feeling it. So let's see. I hope you choose no liner because that's in my comfort zone, but I'm okay with stepping out of my comfort zone. Yeah, bye. Okay, so I'm back. It's been quite a long time after I posted the polls on my Instagram, and this is like a normal phone. I haven't seen any of the results, so we will see. I hope for the straight hair you haven't said like, you have said like keep it natural. So oh, okay, it's not loading. Wait a minute. Why is it taking so much time? Okay, 45 for keep it natural and 31 for yes. This phone is very slow. Okay. 60% is for keep it natural. So we are going to keep it natural. We are also going to see the next results, which is outfit 1 or outfit 2. So 1 was the black one and 2 was the yellow one. So you guys said voted for 2. I thought you were going to vote for 1. Why? First of all, why? Excuse-moi. I mean, excuse me. I hate you. I don't want to wear the freaking yellow top. Okay, so for full coverage or medium coverage, you said 27 for medium coverage and 21 for full coverage. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is what I wanted to wear. Okay, so the next one is pink or nude. 33 voted for nude and 15 voted for pink. Thank God. And 67. Okay, yeah, wait. Liner or no liner? 27 voted for liner and 6 voted for no liner. I mean, this was like, I just posted like half an hour ago. But thank you to all the people who said that. So as you can see, I'm ready. I have the new lipstick on. It looks pink, but it is kind of like more on the kind of like little wow, subtle shade of pink. I'm wearing eyeliner. As you can see, I don't really like liner. I'm wearing a medium coverage foundation. You can see my I don't know, zits or acne, whatever. And I'm wearing the yellow top, which I don't like at all, and also eyeliner, which I don't like at all. Yeah, I think that's it. I've kept my hair natural. I've just like pushed my hair back with sunglasses. Life hack, because I don't want it on my face and I'll be sweating and all that stuff. Also, I've uploaded a next poll, which is of 2 bags which I want to carry with me, so we will see which one we can carry. So let's go. Okay, so the bag results are out and you chose for this one, so we are going to go with this one. And I'm off. Bye.
So your followers decided for you to eat Baskin and Robbins. Did you get it? What did you got?
I got bubblegum.
Oh, you like it? I don't like it.
I love Naturals chocolate chip one. They decided that, and they made me look like
This.
I don't like it.
Do you like how they made you look?
No, I don't like the liner, and I hate the top. Everything else is fine.
But then it was brave of you to choose like one
Yeah.
thing you like and one thing you not like.
Because yellow is not my color. I just love black. I have Vaidehi with me. You might know her from Smith and Curve. I will link her Instagram now. So we are eating now. Bye. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I am home after going to the mall and sourcing. I went out with my friend for, just chilled and hanged out. And yeah, I'm home now. It's pretty late. Not like late, but it's like 10:30, yeah. So I reached now and now I'm going to sleep. I think that was it for today. That was Instagram follows control my life, or control my life for a day. I didn't really like the top. Rest, everything else was perfect, and I am pretty happy on like all the things which you all chose for me. So yeah, thank you so much, and that was it. Do whatever you want, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. I'm done talking about like all the speech which I have to give. So yeah, do all that, and if you aren't following me on Instagram, which you should, so yeah, go and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.
All you calibrated, do the mumble like a crazy nigga.